Hello everyone, welcome to Shrishan. In today's class, we will learn about reducing equation to simpler form. Now in the linear equation chapter containing only one variable, alright? So in that case, you have learnt about the linear equation having only one variable, that is x, y or z. Now you have solved for x also, where the RHS part or the LHS part was simply a number or it was a expression, right? Now in that case, you may not have the direct or a simple form of linear expression there. You may have some next level equation, right? So in that case, how we are going to find that value of x, right? So that is what the today's topic is. Now, reducing the equation to a simple form is nothing but we are converting that expression containing the equation to the equation containing only one variable. Nothing but we are taking that linear equation which is having an expression in it. We are going to convert that to a one variable equation. That is what the thing here is. So, we are bringing this equation to a very simple form by converting it into a one variable equation. Right? So how we are going to do it? We are just simplifying that equation, right? And then solving it for the value of variable. Now I have written it as simplifying the equation before solving it. That is what the meaning of reducing the equation to a simple form. We are bringing it to a linear form of equation where it is having only one variable, same thing. But that thing we are simplifying it, obtaining some mathematical steps here just to bring that complex equation to a simple form, right? Now how we are going to do it now? That is the big question, right? Now how we are going to do that? Now that thing is nothing but we are just multiplying both the sides of the equation by a suitable expression here. Write on the LHS and RHS part, and then I'll bring that complex equation to a simple form. With that simple form will be a linear form of equation, right? Now let us study by taking an example for it. Okay, 6x plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 is equal to x minus 3 by 6. Okay, now look at this. Now what I'm going to do? The thing is, this is an complex equation. Now look at this. So you have a numerator term, denominator. In addition to that, you have plus 1, right? So on the other side, you have a numerator, again a denominator. So this is quite complex to solve for x, right? Now how we are going to do it? Now we are going to find the value of x here, right? That is the question. Now this complex equation, we are bringing it to a simple form by converting it, right? Now for that conversion, what we are going to do for that simple form? We are going to multiply both the sides of an equation by a suitable expression, right? Now here, if I'm looking at this equation, just simply observe 3 and 6 is there. LCM of this is, simply if I look at this equation, I can notice that the LCM would be my 6, right? 3 and 6. So 3 comma 6. Right? So LCM of this 3 comma 6 is, right? 3 ones are, 3 twos are, right? So again you have 2 here. I can take that 2. 2 ones are, 2 ones are. So 3 twos are 6. So LCM of 3 and 6 is 3 twos are 6, right? Is the LCM. Yes, so I can use this LCM value and multiply this 6 to this equation. Can I reduce it to a simple form? Let us check, right? So you just multiply this x to each term in the equation. So 6x plus 1 by 3, right, into 6 plus, as it is, 6 into 1. So 6 ones are 6 is equal to, now again on both the sides I should multiply. So 6 into x minus 3 divided by 6. Now look at this. Can I cancel anything here? Yes, I can cancel. 3 ones are, 3 twos are 6. 3 ones are, 3 twos are 6. So left out with 2 into 6x plus 1 plus 6 ones are 6. That is equal to, I have a numerator term as a 6. Denominator is also 6. I can cancel with this. 6 ones are, 6 ones are, left out with x minus 3 into 1. So I can write x minus 3 here. Now look at this. 2 into this bracket term. Multiply this 2 with each term in the bracket. 2 6 are 12, 12x plus 2 1s are 2 plus 6 term as it is, that is equal to x minus 3. Same thing. Now look at this x equation. Now you had 6x plus 1 by 3 plus 1 is equal to x minus 3 by 6. Now you have reduced this complex equation to a simple form, that is 12x plus 2 plus 6 is equal to x minus 3. Right, now you can simply solve for x now here. This is a very simple equation, right? So look at the both the sides. You have a x term on both the sides. Alright, so 12x, here is also x, shift that x to the other side, plus x is there. If I'm shifting it to the other side, that would be a minus x. So 12x minus x is 11x. Now you have a number here minus 3. You have 2 plus 6 is 8. Now plus 8 is there. If I'm shifting it to the other side, that would be minus 8. Minus 3 minus 8. So is nothing but the addition you are going to perform and write the greater sign, that is minus. So 3 plus 8 is 11. So minus for a greater value of number, so you have minus 11. So the value of x is simply 11 ones are 11 ones, it is minus 1 is the value of x. Now if I am finding the value of x as minus 1, whether that is the correct value of x, now I don't know. I had just simply multiplied this LCM value and got the value of x as minus 1, right? So I just need to verify for this value of x whether that value of x satisfies this equation or no. So just to verify this value of x, whether it is correct or no, I need to check for it, both the sides, right? So look at this. I'm checking it for the LHS term. Now LHS equation was the what? 6x plus 1 by 3 plus 1, right? I've just written it. 6x plus 1 by 3 plus 1. Substitute the value of x. What you have got here? As minus 1, 6 of minus 1 plus 1 divided by 3 plus of 1. So it is nothing but minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. You are doing the subtraction, writing the greater sign, that is minus 5 divided by the denominator term 3 plus 1 divided by minus 5 divided by 3 plus 1 is nothing but 3 ones are 3, minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2, so hence minus 2 by 3. So value of LHS you have got it as minus 2 by 3, right? Now look for the RHS part. Now RHS part is x minus 3 by 6. Take that x minus 3 by 6, put the value of x here, minus 1 minus 3 by 6. So the value will be minus 4 divided by 6. So 2 2s are, 2 3s are. So you have got minus 2 by 3. Look at this LHS term. You had minus 2 by 3. RHS value is also minus 2 by 3. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence the value of x is right. It is minus 1. Now let us consider another example. So example here it is 3 into t minus 3 is equal to 5 into 2t plus 1. Right? So this is 3 into the bracket term is equal to 5 into the bracket term. So this is quite complex. So how we are going to simplify it? You just multiply this each term within the bracket. 3t minus 3 3s are 9 is equal to 5 into 2t. 5 2s are 10t plus 5 ones are 5. So you have left out with 3t minus 9 is equal to 10t plus 5. So look at this equation. You have a term in the LHS also. You have a term containing the variable in the RHS also. 3t plus 10t is there. If I'm shifting it to the other side, that would be a subtraction. So 3t minus 10t is nothing but subtraction operation. 7t. Greater sign is minus. That is equal to plus 5. Shift this minus sign to the other side. This would be my 9 plus 9. So 9 plus 5 is 14. Right? So why I have written minus 14 here? You have other term. Right, minus 7t. So t, since it is in the product form, if I'm shifting it to the other side, this would be in the denominator. Numerator term, after shifting, turns to a denominator term. So 7 ones are, 7 twos are, it is t is equal to minus 2. Right, so in order to check whether the found value of t, whether it is right or no, just verify it with LHS and RHS term. So LHS term is 3 into t minus 3. Substitute for t here as minus 2. Right, so 3 into minus 2 minus 3. Minus 2 minus 3 here it is within the bracket. Alright, so you're just minus 2 and minus 3 is there. Perform the addition operation. Write the greater sign, that is minus 5. 3 5s are 15. Plus into minus is minus, right? So minus 15. RHS term, consider 5 into 2t plus 1 is 5 into 2. Value of t is minus 2 plus 1. 2 2s are 4. Minus into plus is minus. So 2 2s are 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 plus 1. Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. Nothing but subtraction operation. Writing the greater sign is minus 3. 3 5s are 15. Plus into minus is minus. So hence the LHS is equal to the RHS term. So hence the found value of t is minus